In the previous video, I demonstrated how to hide the feature images on the blog post. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to hide the feature images on the actual blog post cards right here. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log in Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate your active theme, in my case, it's Dawn version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on homepage and then select blogs. Now click on default blog. Now on the left, under template, select blog posts. Then on the right, under the blog post settings, look for this option, show feature image. By default, it's enabled. Let's deactivate it. Now let's save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the blog. And as you can see, the feature images are now hidden from the blog post cards. But if I open the actual blog post, the feature image will still be present here. And as usual, I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.